In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily repost on TikTok and then how you can find reposted videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then you can just swipe up to find a video that you want to repost. Not each particular video can be reposted. Some TikTokers forbid to repost their videos. So once you find a video, you can just hit add to share and then right here tap add repost. Now it says reposted. You can tap right here to add your comment. You can just add emoji here, or you can tag someone, and then you can hit add send. So from now, that particular video that you have just reposted will appear at your followers' TikTok feed, so they will be able to check this video too. If you want to find the videos you reposted, all you have to do is tap at that icon on your profile page, and that will show you all the videos that you have ever reposted. Then you can open up any video, you can scroll up or down to switch between videos that you have reposted, and then if you want to remove any video from here, you can just open it up, then hit add share icon, and then hit add remove repost, then confirm it, and that's it. So now guys, you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.